Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am dripping. I just washed my hair and I wanted to talk you through my kind of updated but my wash and go routine that works, just because I feel like I haven't done a curly hair routine video in a long time, and this is the origins of my channel. I started off with my natural hair journey videos. Although I've been doing business videos, I do want to stick to my roots. So I have just washed and deep conditioned using and this video isn't sponsored guys, this is what I usually use on a typical day. So this is the Naughty to the Rescue shampoo and the matching conditioner to the Rescue range. They're vegan, really affordable, very nice smelling, moisturising, all of that good stuff. And then we have the To the Rescue, which is a really light mask, but I just love it. It's so moisturising. It makes my hair really like wavy and looser, so it's easier to style afterwards. So that's what I really like about this intense moisture treatment. So I'm going to go in with my staples, which are the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner and the Bouclem curl cream. These two together are my go-to for wash and goes. Helps me get definition and moisture, and then I'm good to go. So I've just had my hair wet and I've just tied it up in a t-shirt, and then I'm going to go ahead and moisturize it and style it in sections. So stay tuned. I'm just going to take this down and let's see how it looks. And guys, I like to style my hair on really wet hair, so right now it's pretty much just damp, so I may have to wet it more. So I'm going for a side because I've been rocking a middle parting. Who is like me, they get bored of like the parting. I've been rocking a middle parting for way too long now, and I just don't like how it looks with my face and when it dries. So I'm going to try a side parting and see how that goes. So I've got my Oso Curly mist spray bottle, so any parts that I feel need a bit more moisture, I'm just going to spray down and make sure that my hair is dripping wet, because I prefer styling on wet hair. But I love this mist spray bottle because it just sprays continuously. You press it one time and it sprays like for a long time. So yeah, dampening any part that needs dampening. And then what I'm going to do is just make a clear parting. I'm going to use my edge brush, which again is available from Oso Curly, and I love this one because it has the pointy end, so you can make partings with it. So we're just going to make a side parting here. I'm not the best with partings because I don't really style my hair much. I just do my typical wash and goes. My hair just is really weird when it comes to partings. It doesn't like to do what I want it to do. But this also has a comb as well, so I can kind of comb it away where it needs to be combed away. Doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as there is a part in there, we're good. So I'm gonna again dampen my hair because it dries so quickly. I have low porosity hair, which means that it just soaks up water and everything so quickly, so I have to make sure that I keep my hair damp. So I'm gonna section it so that this section here is put away and we can just work on this half of the hair, which again I'm gonna half because my hair is so thick and I really like to work evenly to get a good even wash and go. So I usually just twist up this bit into like a bantu knot out of the way so that I can style this one section. So we've got about this much hair to do, and I'm going to go in first with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner and follow up with the curl cream. So this is pretty much a nice new one. I go through these quite quickly, but I like to use, oh that might be too much. Because I'm going in with the curl cream, I don't like to apply too much. That even might be a bit too much. So that much probably per section. We'll see how it goes, but I like to make sure that it is nice and moisturised but not too overloaded, because we're going to go in again with the curl cream. Again, it's starting to feel a bit dry, so I'm just going to spray it. Make sure that it's still damp, because that is the secret to a good wash and go wet hair. Okay, so now you can see that it's starting to soak up the product better, and we're getting a bit of definition here. But again, we don't want too much, because that's what the curl cream is going to do. I like to, again, finger detangle. I detangle when I wash my hair, but I like to detangle again when I'm styling it. Okay, so now you can see that it's nice and moisturized. It's got a bit of definition, but now we're going to go in with the Bouclem curl cream, and that I like to apply generously. So I apply about that much to the section, rub it into my hands, and then I really work that in. I don't finger detangle as much, I simply just smooth it into the section. As you can see, my hair is soaking that up, all of that cream. It really loves this product. As you can see, it's starting to define a bit more, and it doesn't matter if you have some white parts just on the top, it is going to soak in once it air dries. But again, this is all up to your hair. I know after experience how much my hair likes and how much it doesn't like, so I like to see that my curls are defining. That's when I know, okay, it's going to dry nicely. And if I feel like it isn't as defined, I will finger detangle just to make sure I am moisturizing every single strand. And again, you can always add water if you feel like you need to. I think we're good. Look at that. So cute. So just keep coating. Keep smoothing it through. Yeah, look, you can see now, defining, which we love. And that's when I know that that section is done. And then I can repeat this to every single section, which I'm not going to bore you guys with. I'm just going to continue that and then come back to you guys once they are all done. But typically that is what I do for every single section. So this is my hair when it is fully moisturized with both products. I'm going to leave it to air dry. I hardly ever diffuse, just because when I do, it never comes out how I want it to come out. So I just let my hair air dry. Usually, like today, it's a good day, so I can just let it air dry, and it should dry really quickly. Even at home, it dries relatively quickly. Even the outside will dry the fastest, and then the inside might be a bit damp, but no one sees that, so it is cool. But that is my typical wash and go routine. Really simple, really basic. I have low porosity hair, and my hair curl type is about a 3BC, I want to say. I don't like to go with curl types because I feel like I'm such a mixture of different textures, but it's around that range. I will come back to you at the end of this video and just show you what my hair looks like when it's completely dry. As it is still damp, you will see a bit of shrinkage, but shrinkage is fine. It just means that the hair is healthy. So I'll see you once my hair is dry. Hey guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, these are the results of my wash and go. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. I kind of knew it would look good just because I can always tell by the definition when I'm actually raking my fingers through. The curl cream usually just solidifies it for me, so I'm happy with this wash and go. However, it's so hot outside, so I don't think I could even wear it out, which is such a shame, but I'm really happy. And I hope this video really helped you guys and just brought you up to date with what I do with my hair. Nothing much has changed. If you leave a comment down below, let me know if you want to see like a full 5-day week hair routine of what I do every single day. My night routine, morning routine, refreshing, co-washing. Let me know. Look at this little ringlet here. See what I mean about different curl types everywhere. But yeah, that is my hair routine. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.